Welcome to Positive Trader. We have what we call contract size. Okay, we have contract size. So contract size simply means that if you're gonna go to GBP, let's say you're gonna use GBP USD, you're gonna go to symbol properties. Okay, you're gonna go to GBP symbol properties. You will see that we have a contract size of 100,000, which is 100,000. Okay, 100,000. Okay, this is the contract that we have, right? Okay, so right now, since we have a contract size in a fractional market, what does it mean? It means that these are the units that we're gonna be buying and selling. All right, these are the units that we're gonna be buying and selling. And when we are buying and selling this unit, we will need what we call margin, which is the money that is needed from us. Okay, which is margin. All right, perfect. And then since now we have margin, and then we will be actually, brokers, they are different. So brokers, they will be charging us commission. Okay, they'll be charging us commission, and they'll be charging us spread in order for us to actually trade this number of units, which is the contract size. Okay, so right now, let's say in case you are using let's say GBP USD. Okay, on the GBP USD you open 0.01. okay, and then the symbol properties, it says or it's indicating 100,000 contract size. So this simply means that if you're going to take this and multiply this with 100,000, you will have an answer of 1,000. Okay, so this 1,000, it means that from this 100,000 you only sold or bought 1,000 contract size. Okay, and then this 1,000 will be commissioned, and then will be the margin, also that money that you will be needing for trading, which is you are selling 1,000 units, you are buying 1,000 units, which is 0.01. And this one, they mention that it's a mini or micro or macro lot. Okay, but either way, you understand that this is 1,000 that you are selling and buying. So that's where you make profit and you make loss, and the money that you need as a margin, okay, and the commission. All right, I believe we understand what's happening with the contract size, because when you're trading, you need to understand this term of contract size so that you can be able to manage your risk well, and then count margin that is required, and then you see how much you are buying and how much you're selling. That's all. Be blessed and subscribe.